the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe
ne ma GH and money ego so amushe mi din de na ama obusu na mi je twa say ya na e de eboboba e wo man mu no e na mi de beto dwa e de amamo ahwefo na ebiem so etiefo sesia de die Ghana for ebi mo te hot seat so pa ebi mo to hyehe wo mo ebi bebebi edi wo mo ti akote esa ensem a ebesi wo man mu a ebekọ edi etia wo mo na nkofo meka wo mo asem e Ghana Game Boys de ye kasa mu a ye from Sakawa Boys Ford Boys yes Kamesibi wo mo asem e na meka Honorable Kennedy Agyapong akompreko o de duo mo so na ni nie gina abrantie Ibrah 1 ne day a wode sha asie se ekofo kikanto no so be sorry abeka bi no elikoto oda bo nim edate ona bo se wono obegu ona bo hu fi se ya ono so wonyema e wo proof e wo evidence that them a obetimi de gu ona bo hu fi ate se ona bo timi sorry enkasa biem na enu no ono de wafa hu de abodam o na no ho so ni ada betu da so abodam ti enya no enti no ho so ni criminal cases ni no de na holding ene de ato ho ena on anamo onu tu ye no ama akoka nkofo foforo atese wo mu so ko mu do mu nyima in secret obi eni mu bi de sia ho na bodi wo ne nibre no akoso mo so nti ebusa fom se mu cho expose ya the next version no ejina scam boys is for so na Fraud Boys Association we de mudi se mu be complain ye ntema ba because honorable Ibrah 1 as no ye no bi enyem eni so e de che onaba masese honorable say mu case anybody sorry so nebusafo o kan sta no kire mu say abrante bi kra de no yen mobo list anka ono ono agweda na nim krampo na sa abrante ni di enimu bi na se watia say ye honorable de na ni kosi Game Boys so nti o acha ase confess that akofa de wofa e da ba ono agwenim ade ono agwo kire kra ni e woni wiase ni sa se o be na nim e de o chop aba na nti unye boni a de kopa ho chonti boy na akwa ono about say se ni din wole snim dia o yi ni din film na ono go say ono krampo we hu ni din wole snim so o de no ha ba nti ono go asakwa no ho hwehwemu te say e de ono so case abeka na busafo e si ade de the most anticipated show mfa chame e ya filmenum krapenteme filmenum the most anticipated show se si ade koko kojina eye scammers Fraud Boys so nkofo to ayehye ye ho video ne ba ye be sorry so
Yusu mama Yusu boy ya Ibrah
anke be Ibrah ho na nke be close asofo ne aba Ibrah
Ibrah de me started say me minimum no da then he started talking trash na ba me say who is this boy papa no information a bus I say what I go away we're finishing the one toss but I even regretted responding to him when I got the whole details of the boy. Or a slot complete. That I should not even argue with him. But with him, me tell me what time for nonsense. Me pon program no 11:45 p.m. 1 a.m. na ejina na me wo cruise ejina Ibrah ni fie.
Hey.
When they got there, ne cars mienu odwa no mu ya papa so abie na yi. Ni nuanom ko fa ne cars no. Then my car trailed them all the way to Medina IPS. Obabi yale encrading bayala. A sikwan ho pe eko Accra Training College ho. No afa right. Ofa right and no afa left. Left third house on the right. Ho no go park e cars. Ade achi anopa. Ombe move cars no the corner brother fi on McCarthy Hill. When I had informed the security agencies, send the messages, the guy or we had a trade, I was saying, why they were going to pick them, I got a call. And I didn't hear a friend Abbas, a friend was honorable, Mr. Wa. Meanwhile, when you're normal, Wabodam, I have his medical report. Met me the Ababechero. And I'm saying, are you sure? But why I believe, say, what I'm say, any human being in his right sense will not say, me my president 24 hours, he will be a corpse. Anybody, or what agreeing, yes sound, will not threaten the president, say, Obekunua, he will not be arrested. So, I'm afraid security force say, "Oh, time, na investigation about the guy, about the medical records." The brother brought the medical records. May 11th, 2020, and another no sabe biem na fe odi nyoma egugu eiso. So the doctor has written say eduro na de man onfa. Timije na mka say, well, media once ameka say me achiro. Unless one kasa oba to show or read the medical report for people to see something, I don't just come on air and brag. And the brother was bold to go on Man FM and will show a incident. On no brother Noah, oh yeah, you can accuse you to say and Islam, that is the most serious crime you can commit. So accuse you. In one breath, what they should was it anybody say heaven or her holy bibi obi beko heaven Abbas. The same person also a fan yiri. Then I realized I will show her each the most honest politician I like in this country, Honorable Agyapong, or send it to India. It was it. Who in then was say I fed ye or the assembly about minimum that. So in Tiabas and fresh security castle. Mama investigate na ninu ya say nti almost say security advice on the master say no correct so a bipolar. I'm sure I call black American baby or the second wife. One only shoot no man no sa or share na abem. Enti omo fan ko hospital no mun quarantine. So the brother came to talk. No cause o man gin phones nyina. Ena omo did not shift. Me say it's not enough. So we didn't call hospital. Na onum nedu. My brother, any paper brave wo a uhu omu a.
Come.
We are uhu kama. Tisa near to Duncan Williams. Ni bano. What you say? Very handsome boy. But no one problem. Obi a wasa wa nkonum wi. Any cocaine and fremwa and trigger. Now, Abi a obefi so obi kasem beach na meti. Boy ni die no. Advice me ire na kasa with this situation. You worsen the case. The best place is to take him to Pantai. No more. But Majai arrest because I will worsen the situation for him. But in the investigation, Mahusa or a criminal. Mahusa or a criminal. Omo yusu. I say, that I will not stop. Now, when him interested, meaning, where your mammy kakra. I'm the affair Ghana for a trust him in almost Romy and Casa. When him, sir, 419 now fraud boys, Omubu Fugai for insulting me. Because I made one statement. Now, Mimi, I'm a guy on the street. I know what time it is. I just ignore you to go. But I know what time it is. Nobody had told me anything. But the moment they say, or Forex Bureau, na me who deal. Forex Bureau for them. What they do, ni say, Oma be offshore account. Now bank for, I'm going to deal with the banks. Yes. Me say me nyai. I don't feel, Majai arrest, madam. But sad deals, it has to stop. All banks in this country should stop opening offshore accounts to Ghanaians. Dollar na ekosuru debiya because of that. And no can be a part. What they do ni say, Samina mimi here sika ewo America. Me say me wo offshore account. No ajisika no ha. Ojia no we release it. Genuine ones will release the money. But when some boys way, utrias can no mafa. And then another guy is also going to talk from London about a choir. Sa Ibrah no afaso ebu o mama ye close. Ghanaians no me businesses no account. What you say? So I'm going to governor. Why? What is the essence of opening offshore accounts? We didn't say boys not panic. Now I hold this boy's name because of idea we here. The moment that who said my cancer asemono, now me see I'm going after a year. One in offer. Ono so ye mistake saa o. Tisania saa actress no ye mistake din. Edina na kura na ni but he voluntarily came to me to beg with no offer. So what he say me koka na ni din wo muti no osre me na say bo ni din me hwe ma de so ana ni din na me dey account. I say the evil that men do lays after them. So enti Ibrah no wama 419 for me stop business. I'll use the law to stop their business. Because the offshore account doesn't make sense. Me could be account yes na by your back offshore your back. Me first can free abroach de mara. Me discover free ha na cranium. All the bank transactions are there. We are o bill of ladings near now the HSA nyoma wa kra manaba. So why do I need offshore account? I don't understand. And these guys are using offshore account, beating people, duping them. That through Ibrah insult, I'm going to attack them. Make sure say offshore account to crowd bank be and baby Ghana near dollar no stress no so and go for.
Sena mechanic and no honorable Edia to John said the Ghana for Yende G, the Ebano song. Game boys, Mumpe Bingna. Won't them and ever. There was already rumors in them from them say game boys won't come and then slave way is the first one waka. Now yes, slave way is the first one. Say your big slave queens are gonna have almost dear. Almost today and some year Juma and nobody knows he can answer him say. I see one of no a slave in the Juma and 1 year. One was soon back be. Nancy after this expose. Dear Pan because oh my gun. Yeah, heard the back with him. Now, son, I know some of the comments are Abba, a honorable. Then say what they are to do the latest expose. I want to see so much now. They actually gonna form where if he obeyed us. Hello, Mr. James Bond. Welcome to hell. Heaven is too hot for you. Soon and very soon, you will be exposing and going after our president, Nanado. I think I can foresee that in your eyes. Thank you. On this one, say, maybe I want to go kick out Mr. James Bond. Oh gidigi, oh baragba, oh jinano honso, oh move beyond Ferrobia, the way I can call the 100 your president or city president, I have not by no investigations, no that better job, no exposure, no sooner to a chat. It was a bit honorable Kikako and exposing there. Well, just the idea Juma Bosso, Yoko Juma Edan necessary Edan Naso, Juma Bia, security, Juma Piano, Honorable Agyapong, so say investigations or there, I know she, a more doom. One we police IGP info no found about MSC because one do Majuma Papa, San a bit so person woman camp. Manasi, a key relay Edia about a thing. After Ken had the meeting with him, Abbas, he came to realize there'd be more expose on his side too. Ibrah isn't mad, you know. He really knows what he's saying. On this one, he said Ibrah no or more than Biaye. A damn bob dear ni Ibrah afa, only the no worker, only Mupana, honorable. Only Ibrah need me a bema, Abbas, the ain't a year to say, or Mutras or Mocasa, who said that be a brand and no one fan on a dorsal, and until as a Saturday. Or better whom from Mengu and so catch and say, if you want about them to not to China, one cannot send him nor yet then Dabi. A year from a cake. And ya, and honorable Sebi and so. And it's way if you honorable, Ibrah will prove and pack. Ibrah on board them Bia, honorable neighbor quine, and that cat in Yama as so, or also that drink tray, and no brown hat as to deal with about saying. Since when did Ken become the director of Iyoko? Liar, you are their baron. Expose him so he can also expose you. Also, because I said, Dabenta and a honorable Agyapong MP for Assistant Central. I was a Ken City owner. I then and I'll be a director of Iyoko. One amount of position. atron na wo de wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu kyerɛ Ghana fo no yeso ya di wachi ne ya di watum wa na wo ye wo kind before wo baron wo mpe nipa ene wo enu nti na wo beto be expose eye Ibrah one we say so no sha asenti wo de call afoforo so expose no no so ntimi expose bi say o wo no wo nsem afa beto dwa ono so wo wo nsem ono so ba beto dwa fa ntase notengu ye ni so bia ye be ne sa ebusa for comment de akika kwa de otimi say egofo gina ho yie egofo hwe nyememu egofo hwade egofo so mbetimi akope bebi ateno mo so makote de akika kwa de Ghana ha yi hu na yewe nim de bebe bia no ye beto dwa I was too much HF de kase so and to stay tuned so won't stay tuned don't subscribe ya mestra say obe subscribe by pressing on the button ma e what and check on ma say na e bibia e benya e be upload video bia no so betimi nya notification no e wo phone e so e bi so follow yen e wo Instagram at @2mach_h_na honum so no obetimi enya ye update on news no e wo honum bidin de na ama owusa hanam de besi nyame adoma e be say e hye bi makram.
Yo, too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa on my Ghana so e na ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrochefo